Hello, thank you for purchasing the MyoLift Mini. My name is Kelly and I will be sharing some key information to get you started on transforming your skin through true microcurrent technology. Let's start with getting to know the MyoLift Mini. In the box, you are going to see the device, the Restore Gel, the lead wires, the applicator probes, and the charger for your device. To turn your device on or off, click the button at the top left-hand side of the device. The screen is going to show you how much battery the device has, the level it is set on, either 1 or 2, the waveform, which could be erase or educate, the intensity, which ranges from 175 to 400, the time that it is set on, and the conductivity bar, which confirms that there is conductivity passing through, aka the device is treating your skin when it is solid. When preparing for your treatment, the most important thing to ensure is that your skin is hydrated. After cleansing the skin, we recommend you apply our Replenish Spritzer on your face and then apply our Restore Conductivity Gel as you work on different areas of the face. Once we have properly cleansed and hydrated the skin, the Mini offers 2 types of treatments: erase or educate. For all treatments, we recommend doing them 15 to 30 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week for the first 2 months, and then once a week for maintenance. So erase is used for relaxing overused facial muscles. If you're new to microcurrent, we recommend starting with the 175 intensity and slowly increasing as you continue treatments. For all erase movements, you will be meeting the probes together and then making sure that they are not touching, and then you will be applying pressure to pull them apart. We can treat 5 areas of the face with erase and do 5 to 10 passes each time. So before you begin, you're always going to spray some Replenish on your face, and then you're also going to put on the Restore Conductivity Gel. When doing the forehead, you're going to place the probes together in the middle and then pull apart. When doing your 11 lines, you're going to place the probes between your eyebrows vertically and then pull apart, and then you can also do it horizontally and then pull apart. When doing the crow's feet area, you will also place the probes together by the crow's feet and then pull apart. When you're doing the upper and lower lip, you will place the probes together and pull apart. Note that when you are treating the upper lip and the lower lip area, you may feel some metallic taste, and that is normal. Educate is used for tightening and lifting the facial muscles. For all Educate movements, you will have one stationary probe, and then the other will be moving and holding the muscle for that lifted effect. Each movement can be done 3 times, holding for 5 seconds. And you can repeat and hold it for longer on problem areas. We recommend that you start on the neck and then work your way up. When doing the neck, you're going to place the stationary probe at the top of your neck with the moving probe moving up and holding for 5 seconds 3 times. When doing the jawline, you're going to place the stationary probe above the jawline with the moving probe moving up from below the jawline. When doing the cheek and jowl area, place the stationary probe near the earlobe with the moving probe moving from the side of the mouth to the stationary probe and holding. You can also place the stationary probe on the upper cheek area with the moving probe moving up from the side of the mouth and holding. When working the brow area, place the stationary probe on top of the brow with the moving probe grabbing from underneath. For more movements on the Educate waveforms, please check out the MyoLift website. Another benefit of having the MyoLift Mini is using the MyoLift accessories to enhance your results. The lead wires is what makes this happen. Make sure that you unplug your application probes and plug in the lead wires when working with the accessories. The true microcurrent is conducted through the lead wires into any of our accessories. Starting with the mask, once you have plugged in the mask into the lead wire, you are ready to apply them to hydrated skin. Please note that no conductivity gel is needed when using the mask. When using two mask attachments, please know that the intensity is split between the two. For example, if the intensity on your device is set at 400 and you have the forehead mask and the mouth mask on, each mask will be conducting at 200 intensity. Each mask is reusable 10 to 12 times and should be cleaned after each use. We recommend using alcohol and gauze. We also recommend tucking the wires behind your ears to help keep the mask in place. You can also pair the mask with your favorite water-based sheet mask for further product penetration. The conductive gloves are our most popular accessories as it is an intuitive approach to treatment that allows you to infuse face massage techniques and provides a quicker approach since you are covering a larger surface area. To use, we do recommend that you spray and dampen the gloves with our infused solution to help with the conductivity, or you can also dampen it in distilled water. Please note that no conductivity gel is needed for the face when using the conductive gloves. Make sure that you drain any excess water before putting the gloves on. Lastly, it is also important to note that you should be wearing latex gloves when using the conductive gloves so that the conductivity is flowing to your face and not your hands. The gua sha is a great accessory to enhance its sculpting, lifting, and lymphatic drainage benefits. To use, you are going to place one of the electrodes on the skin area that you are working on and the other on the gua sha. You can also use the gua sha in conjunction with the conductive gloves by putting the gloves on and holding the gua sha as the conductivity will pass from the gloves to the gua sha. Are you using the device and thinking that it's not working because you don't feel anything? That's okay. As all MyoLift devices use true microcurrent technology, you should not be feeling anything during your treatments. True microcurrent is subsensory, meaning the current may not be felt. This is important as we do not want the facial muscles and skin to contract. There is a misconception that more intensity is better, and that is not true, as that can cause your ATP to break down, which hinders the healing and repair of your skin and muscles. The best way to know if your device is conducting, aka working, is by checking the conductivity bar. When solid, that confirms that the conductivity is flowing through the skin and muscles. It will blink when the device is not conducting. Another great way to confirm that your device is working is by doing a probe test. You will do this by selecting the waveform, pressing run, and then connecting the 4 probes together. The conductivity bar should remain solid, confirming that your device is working. Remember that hydration is key to conductivity. If you have done all of these steps and your device is working, but when trying to use it on your skin and the conductivity bar blinks, you may need more hydration. Besides using our replenishing spritzer and conductivity gel, we recommend having 3 cups of water at least 30 minutes before treatment to ensure hydration. To maintain hydration during your treatment, you can also spray the replenishing spritzer over the gel. Make sure you register your device for your warranty at our website, 70wellness.com. We also recommend that you download our MyoLift app, where you can access customized treatment plans and tutorials. For additional tutorials, also visit our YouTube channel, 7E MyoLift. Thank you so much for purchasing the MyoLift Mini, and if you have any questions, always reach out to us at 70wellness.com.